Three examples of FUD I am currently seeing in the tech industry. FUD is using the technique of fear, uncertainty, doubt. I like to call it fear, uncertainty, death of an idea. You have a great idea. You say, hey, I got this amazing idea. Are you sure about that? It seems scary. That's really not something you've done before. Why would you get into that? Did you hear that industry is completely failing? They're trying to strike that fear. They're triggering everything they can. So you have that slight uncertainty. Well, maybe they are right. Maybe there's something I do, and you start to doubt yourself. You start to doubt your ideas, ultimately killing those. Don't let these things stop you from getting into tech. The first big example of FUD I am seeing is all your jobs are going to be sent overseas. You won't go back to the office. We're going to replace you with cheap labor overseas, and you're not going to have a job. Look, I've been a developer for over 20 years, and we have been using overseas resources for longer than that. They're part of the team. And I found that companies have learned already, if you just try to give an idea to an overseas team, you're going to get back exactly what you asked for, and everybody sucks at writing requirements. It's like trying to explain to someone a picture and use words and have them draw it back. You're not going to get it back exactly. You need engineers here to help you define requirements. Or they augment your teams. I have had amazing team where our manual QA was overseas. We could write code during the day, they would QA at night, and then we got bugs to work on the next morning. It worked out great. They're part of the team. They are not there to replace you. Companies know they have to have you on site to help integrate, help build the ideas, help do the value add. One second example of FUD, everybody's laying off. The tech industry's crashing. No one will have a job. Yes, we've seen layoffs at Twitter. We've seen layoffs at Meta. You look at those companies, they've been way overvalued and they're doing resets. Or they had a big management change that was trying to shake things up. You're going to see some hirings coming back. Meanwhile, combat any talk of that and just look up jobs. And you're going to find thousands, tens of thousands of jobs posted right now, open today, that are looking for tech people. Do not listen to the media. Do not listen to your friends when they're saying like, hey, the whole industry is crashing and nobody's hiring. Literally go to the boards that are hiring and look how many jobs are available, and there will be more to come. Third thing on FUD I'm seeing right now, they've been talking about this new AI that can write code. This AI can write Python code, and some developers are doing it. I'm going to be out of a job. It can do my job faster. Look, being a developer is not about, do you know where the semicolons go? Do you know if you need a tab after for the loop, or do you need curly braces? Yes, you need to learn how to write a language, but if you listen to how I say in my previous videos, it's about what you do with it. Do not just learn the semantics. Build something, because that shows you know how to take those tools, put them together in useful ways to build something unique and interesting, and an AI won't do that. Plus, no matter what this thing generates, you need to be able to understand every bit of it. Do not blindly and copy and take it, just like any other code out there. If you go to Stack Overflow, you don't just blindly take something and copy and paste it and use it. You have to understand it. You have to know what it's for. There will be a need for us to put these creative solutions together to build incredible things for companies.